and welcome to Express Drives and Financial Express. I am Ronak Shah and I'm coming to you live from the Move Summit, and well, the biggest highlight of this event has to be the Suzuki's new electric vehicle. Now remember, this is the vehicle which is still in its prototype testing phase and is built on the Suzuki's existing platform. Well, I can't really say if it's the WagonR platform or if it's the Alto platform or the Celerio platform, but what I can tell you, it's a global platform which is built by the Suzuki Motor Corporation, and this particular prototype is developed at the Maruti Suzuki's Gurgaon facility here in India. So what you are seeing here is made in India Maruti Suzuki electric vehicle, and well, it more or less looks like the WagonR. It also takes its design inspiration from the Suzuki Solio. Now remember, the Suzuki Solio right here, what you see here gets DRLs, headlamps. You get this, what you see here is a fast charging facility here, and towards the rear is what the regular charging what you see here. Now remember, Suzuki has promised to bring us a pure electric vehicle starting 2020, but 50 of these electric vehicles will be deployed here in India, testing across. Suzuki says that it will help them gain customer feedback. You guys, please do give us your feedback on what you think of this vehicle, and Suzuki would also like to test the consumer feedback here. Other than the consumer feedback, it will also help Maruti to gain technical details here. Inside you see the regular Suzuki inspired steering wheel, what we see in current generation Suzuki cars. It also gets a touchscreen infotainment system inside. The interior also takes its inspiration from the Suzuki Ignis, and this is the new EV from Maruti Suzuki stable. The electric vehicle is likely to have the electric range of about 200 to 250 kilometers per hour, but this is likely to be the flag bearer for Maruti Suzuki in EVs. The Move Summit has seen a lot of electric vehicles around me, and I'll take you all in detail. And remember, there's also a live blog going on the expressdrives.com for you to see. You have the MG Motors electric SUV here, you have the Nissan Leaf crossover SUV here, and of course the very famous Hyundai Kona electric SUV right in front of you, coming to you from the market. But the highlight is the Maruti Suzuki's new concept electric vehicle. Mr. Pradeep Bala, the prices are not revealed. This is just a prototype vehicle here. It will come to the market by 2020. It's expected to come in 2020. And Vikrant, as far as charging infrastructure is concerned, well, government is pushing for electric vehicles in India, and it's a slow process. The development will come as and when the investments are released. Also remember, PM Modi has not announced the much awaited incentives or the FAME 2 scheme yet, and Niti Aayog is still silent on the EV policy. So yes, we are still waiting for all of these things to happen. And this is of course the ABB powered charging infrastructure. This is a super charging infrastructure. It takes just 8 minutes to give you a travel time of about 200 kilometers. The EV here, what you see, is also developed in India. It's made in India, developed in India for the Indian market. And remember, Suzuki and Toyota are in a partnership in India for developing electric vehicles. While the sentiment around the Move Global Summit happening here in New Delhi, Vigyan Bhavan, is about electric vehicles, Toyota is the only company that has spoken on favor of hybrid vehicles. Suzuki is also developing a huge lithium-ion battery plant in Gujarat. It is investing millions and millions of dollars, and that plant will also be operational starting 2020. This Suzuki's vehicle comes at the backdrop of Suzuki leaving China, and also the Indian market being aggressive. Maruti Suzuki already commands over 50% market share in India, and this vehicle, what you see, is also of course the prototype vehicle here, and is likely to be the flag bearer for Maruti Suzuki in electric cars. Now the platform, as asked, the platform is, I think, likely to be the Suzuki's global platform here. But the development again is done keeping the Indian market in mind. Joining us right now is CV Raman, the technical head and the brains behind Maruti Suzuki's electric. Sir, thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations on this new prototype. If you could give us some information on what's happening here.
What we have here is a prototype vehicle of the electric vehicle. We are made some 50 vehicles of these prototypes. We are wanting to test this in Indian conditions, temperature, humidity, road conditions. All of that are very, very different from Europe and Japan. We want to understand that ecosystem, and then based on that ecosystem, we would like to take the next step.
Thank you so much, sir. So when you say about prototype testing and other things, one key thing will also be consumer inputs and consumer things. So what are you doing in that front?
Definitely, I think there is a consumer research which is happening in parallel. Also, we'll be using this vehicle for various use cases for the consumer of India. So I think we need to understand the ecosystem better, and also it will help us to understand what kind of charging infrastructure is required.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for joining us. So that was CV Raman, the brains behind Maruti's electric vehicle charging structure. And as informed by him, it's going to be tested. 50 of these such prototypes have been made, and 50 of such vehicles will be rolling out across India in various conditions, going through hot, cold, and other various drivetrains. So we still don't have any details on the powertrain, electric motors, electric range of this car, but hopefully closer to the launch date, Maruti Suzuki will let us into one of these soon. And remember, Maruti Suzuki has confirmed the launch of its first ever electric vehicle in the year 2020. 2020 is also the year when BS6 norms will kick in, and a lot of buzz around this vehicle at the 2018 MOVE Global Electric Summit. The likes of this Suzuki's prototype electric vehicle, we also have the Hyundai Kona that will take the charge of electric SUVs from the Hyundai stable. Thank you for watching. That's all the time we had right now with this Suzuki's prototype vehicle, and leaving you with the promise of something more good and exclusive coming up very soon. Arpit Patel, the price of the car is unknown. This is still a prototype vehicle, and Himanshu, same again. This is a prototype vehicle, and the price or the name of this vehicle is not disclosed. It's a prototype vehicle, and the testing of this vehicle begins next month, as early as next month. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon. Here's to a better EV future.